y'all, what's good? If you're seeing me, I think you know what time it is. Especially if you're seeing me like this. Man, I'm on my way to that fish bank, you heard me? I done got up off of work, this, I'm talking about this lovely day. And I said, I'm finna go ahead and throw them poles in the water. You already know, I'm throwing eagle claw everything. I'ma keep saying it until y'all get it, man. I can't emphasize it enough. It works. It's from where I'm from, and it is what it is. But we gonna be throwing out, I'm talking about. We gonna eagle claw chunk and we gonna minnow dunk. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah, we gonna do that. We gonna go ahead and see how many of them we can catch, man. It is 87 degrees out here today, and it ain't got too much wind blowing, but we still finna go swing them things and see if we can pull them up out. You know, I appreciate y'all checking me out though, for real, bro. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Go watch it with somebody at a party. You know what I'm saying? All that kind of stuff, bro. I really do appreciate it. I'm gonna see y'all when we get out there on that water, and you already know. If he take it down, talking about that bobber, I'm gonna lay him on top of the grind. Talking about that fish. What it do, y'all? We just made it out here. Made that walk back here. We're gonna see if we can catch us a few fish. I'm solo dolo. I'm gonna do the best I can for y'all. Water pretty calm. Let's see what it do. Let's chunk them out. You already know I got that eagle claw. This is a 6-footer right here. I got that Colorado. It's like the Colorado flag for that reel. Fishing with some 6-pound test line. We're gonna drop this one down not so deep. If I had to guess, by 2-3 feet. Now, if I had to really be accurate, I ain't gonna do y'all like that, by 3 feet down there. There we go. This one right here, eagle claw steel, 6'6". This one is a Gunnison 30 right there. It's that Gunnison 30. We're gonna stick him out there about 3.5, 4 feet down. See if something come hit him. If I had to be real with y'all though, I ain't expecting too much. That sun up, you know how I feel about the sun. Just depends on what you're fishing for. How cold the water, man, it's just go fishing, y'all. Don't listen to nothing I be talking about, just go fish. Just everybody got their own little patterns, they superstitious that they go with. One thing for sure and two for certain, I got time today. I just looked at my watch. I got time today. So I'm down to sit here until they start hitting. If they don't, they don't. And I just come back in the morning. Let's see if they sitting here instead of here. Sometimes that's how it is. Sometimes I'm fishing on them rocks. I just got to move like 3 rocks down, and I find them. I tell you what I should have did at home before I left. Ate me some food, you heard me? My stomach talking to me like you wouldn't believe. think I got a little something in that bag though. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. That boy, that ain't big at all, man. I'm gonna say he about 9.5. Hey, but if it's 9, I can get a little meat from his spine. I'm talking about I gotta find them bigger than this though. I found a little something, but the thing is, I said lip. I need to find a big something, you heard me? Like pronto. Knew it. Second time I've been hitting clean. Third time. Come on, man. Them fish dying there. They just don't want to play just yet. Oh, but they dying there. Come on, take it and tuck it, so I can throw you up in this bucket. Actually on the stranger. Attack it with angle, so I can throw you on this stranger. Yeah, that's what it do right there. Crazy thing about fishing, you make the toughest, the hardest dude come out and act silly when you out there on the fish bank. If you don't believe me, take somebody that's tough and hard. Watch what happens to them when they out there. I've been fishing since I've been 8 years old. And I've been acting the same way on the fish bank. I ain't never changed up how I've been acting out here on this fish bank. So what you get, man, is one thou wow. I got them knocking. I got them knocking like a motor rod, man, but they ain't taking it. Man, y'all, that camera messed around and died, man. And I caught a little old bitty sockeye. How come them batteries don't last that long, man? Money. They can get paid up off us getting a whole bunch of batteries, but you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna get that little old portable charger. Y'all ain't gonna do me like that no more. You might do me like that for a little while, but it ain't gonna be for too much longer. And for some reason, these sockeye ain't nothing but teeny tiny sockeye, y'all. Hey, but let me ask you something. You eat shrimp, don't it? Hey, man, that's more meat than a shrimp. Yeah, I'm laughing, but I'm for real, though. Come on, sockeye. Y'all come out to play. Hey, but these little old things good at cleaning me today. Barely touching it. That everything clean, like Mister. Uh-huh. Playing with me like this, huh? Playing with me like that, boy. The little bitty thing. Ain't nothing too much to brag on. Just some little old bitty things, you know what I'm saying? Yada da dooski. Hey, but it be sitting on the couch though. 'Cause that's all I was finna do. Sit there and watch some TV. Watch one of them basketball games. And then when it ain't basketball season, I put it on YouTube and watch reruns of a basketball game. And most of the time it's Michael Jordan. It's that Jordan, it's that Chris Webber. I dare you to go watch Chris Webber in high school. Jeez. Woo! Y'all hear that? I'm so frustrated, man. I had the Ric Flair one time. Let's just get it right and get it back out there. Man. We're approaching that golden hour. Let's see if it's really golden or if it's fool's gold. All right, y'all, we done made it on back. Show y'all what we done came home with. We got 11 of them things. Caught more than that. But you already know how it goes. See y'all next time. Appreciate you.